This one is last night. Okay, so we attend the opening restaurant of the friend of Madam Anser. So from I go to the church, I'm just a church visit because there is no mass already. The mass is started already early in the morning. So when I come, no mass already. So I just make a church visit for the candles only. So after that one, Madam Anser and Sisi, she picked me up in the church. And then we come back, we come here because they are invited. Of course, they are the one guest of this event, the opening of the restaurant, the new restaurant. So I make video already in my another cell phone, but it's make not, I can't download because the gallery is full and maybe something wrong. So I make it here to transfer, and that is Madam Anser and Celine. Okay. So thank you again for watching this one. And here is belong here in Baghdad. Some people here in the Baghdad, you can visit this one in the Yarmouk side. So you can go there even every day at night when you finish at work. And the family and the children you can bring also, because there is a children playground in the second floor. So you can go there. You can visit. And you can spend your time there. And that is Madam Anser and Celine. And you can stay there. They have a lot. If you are going there, you can look in their menu. You can take some to drinks or sweets or ayan. So that's all. That's the night to open of this ayan, that one of that restaurant. They are the friends of Madam Anser. Ayan, that one. You can come here. Some people in the Baghdad here, you can go there and visit, and you can order what you want. You can bring your children, as of what I'm telling. That one is there is a playground. So thank you some people in Baghdad, and some mga person or mga tourist, mga tourist, what's that, people, mga visiting in Baghdad, you can come here. You can search in the Google also to check their what's that, their bang tawag yun, yung area, kung sa taxi ba, the taxi, you can ask this one, their location, what I mean, the restaurant location. Ayan, that one. Okay. Yeah. So ayan, kay Sir Amer o Amer yata, if I'm not mistaken. I think that one is mga friends. They're friends together. This one, that one, they're mix photo shoot. Okay. So I wish you can visit every day if you want, when you finish work at the night, to take dinner, lunch and dinner, or it's up to you. On the weekends. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. More blessings at all, and God bless. Thank you to all of us worldwide and nationwide, and bye.